You're in for an epic treat today. I've been diving deep into the world of AI to find out how you can make money online, and I found the 10 best AI tools that can make you crazy rich if you use them wisely. Yep, we're talking big bucks here, and I can't wait to spill the beans on these super cool money-making machines. Oh, but wait. Stick around until the very end because I'm about to drop a secret AI tool that personally helped me rake in thousands of dollars each month with those mysterious, faceless YouTube cash cow channels. You won't want to miss this, so let's dive right in. Midjourney stands out among text-to-image generators, allowing you to customize images in various styles, whether photography, painting, or graphic design. AI art generators like Midjourney produce artwork based on text prompts, allowing users to explore various art styles and creative possibilities. To make money online, you can become a digital artist or art curator. Utilize Midjourney to create and sell unique digital artworks on platforms like Etsy. Establish an online art gallery or platform to showcase AI-generated art, attracting art enthusiasts and collectors. You can also offer your freelance services to Upwork and Fiverr. If you want an in-depth video on how I did this myself, just let me know in the comments below. Opus Clip is an innovative tool that simplifies the creation of short-form videos, ideal for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. With just a video link, Opus Clip automates the entire process, generating engaging short-form videos. These videos come complete with captions, AI-analyzed highlights, and more. Create attention-grabbing videos by inputting relevant video links and let Opus Clip handle the rest. With the right strategy, you can monetize these videos through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or even by promoting your own products and services. Ever wondered how faceless YouTube channels are churning out content that's raking in hundreds of thousands of views and thousands of dollars every month, all with the help of AI tools? vidIQ is a game changer that accelerated the growth and monetization of my other faceless YouTube channels in just 2 months. vidIQ harnesses the power of AI to provide tailor-made suggestions for channel improvement, making it a must-have tool for content creators. With AI-powered features, vidIQ analyzes your specific channel and recommends optimizations, helping you boost your YouTube presence like never before. The secret AI tool that personally helped me rake in thousands of dollars each month with those mysterious, faceless YouTube cash cow channels is InVideo AI. The best part? You won't need a scriptwriter, editor, or voiceover artist. Just type in your video topic, hit generate, and let the AI work its magic. InVideo AI will create professionally crafted videos ready to be uploaded to your YouTube channel and potentially earn you thousands of dollars in ad revenue. Here's how you get started. 1. Click the link on the description or pinned comments and sign up for a free account. 2. Log in and access your InVideo AI dashboard. Now, here's where the magic happens. You give the AI a topic, and it does the rest. At InVideo AI, you have multiple options for video creation. You can either write your own prompts or choose from various video types. For this example, let's go with a YouTube explainer video, ideal for engaging your audience. Here you have a few options. You can either simply write your own prompts in this box and hope to achieve the desired results, or from here, you can just select the type of video you want to create. In this example, I will select the YouTube explainer video. From here, now, I want you to select the length of your video. For my channel, I want the videos to be around 4 minutes. Then, in this box, you need to type in the topic of your video, which in my case is how to make millions in MarketCraft. Now, if you want, you can also add some more details related to what to talk about and what not to talk about in this video. Also, you can add creative thoughts and ideas here, like tone, humor, etc. Afterward, you can type in the kind of background music you want in your video. Next, you can select the gender of your voiceover in the video and the accent of the voiceover for your video. Then, in the watermark, you can simply type in the name of your YouTube channel. For video stock footage, you can select the different options available here and just click on Continue. On this page, click the Generate Video option. After searching for a few seconds, this AI tool will ask you some more information. You can select the type of audience you are creating videos for, the look and feel of the video, and the platform for which you are creating this video for. Just click Continue. Select your video length, add any specific details, and even specify background music preferences. You can choose the gender and accent of the voiceover, add a watermark with your channel name, and select video stock footage. Now, here's where the AI shines. And in just 30 to 40 seconds, it does the heavy lifting. It finds the perfect title, plans the script, records the voiceover, creates scenes, adds background music, and even inserts text. Don't worry about the watermark, you can remove it when you export the video. And there you have it, a professionally crafted video ready to be uploaded to your YouTube channel. Rinse and repeat this process to keep your content fresh and engaging. So click the link on the description or pinned comments and sign up for a free account right now. This could be the start of you making thousands of dollars per month with YouTube. Jasper optimizes your writing for search engines, making it a valuable tool for content creators. It can assist in writing sales copy, blog posts, and more. To make money online using Jasper, you can offer SEO content writing services to platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Utilize Jasper to create high-ranking, SEO-optimized content for websites, blogs, and online publications. Help businesses and website owners improve their online visibility and drive organic traffic. InVideo boasts an impressive array of AI products, and Canvas is a standout. It lets you craft photorealistic landscapes effortlessly by drawing simple shapes and selecting from various materials. The result? Stunning, customizable images that can even be transformed into 360-degree panoramas. InVideo's Broadcast is another gem, making video creation a breeze with features like background noise reduction, background changes, and automatic framing. And don't miss the eye contact feature, it's truly unique. To make money online using InVideo Canvas, you can start a digital art business. Utilize InVideo Canvas to create breathtaking digital artwork and offer it for sale. You can also provide customized artwork services, turning clients' concepts into stunning digital masterpieces for their websites, social media, or personal collections. While text-to-image generators have been around, they continue to evolve. Companies like Meta and Google are at the forefront, promising remarkable results. Kyber, for instance, allows you to turn text and images into videos, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Leapix, on the other hand, breathes life into still photos, adding depth and animation. To make money online using these, you can offer SEO content writing services to platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Speechify is a boon for those who struggle with reading, such as individuals with dyslexia. This AI-powered program reads text aloud, enhancing the reading experience. It's a valuable tool to keep you engaged and focused. You can make money online with Speechify by transforming your love for reading into an income stream. Use Speechify to offer audiobook narration services. Authors and publishers often seek narrators for their books. Notion, a popular note-taking app, has integrated AI capabilities. It streamlines the creation of notes and documents, making the writing process more efficient. This could set a new standard for productivity apps in the future. You can earn money online and become a productivity consultant, offering project management services to influencers and businesses online. Utilize Notion's AI-enhanced features to help businesses and individuals optimize their workflows and note-taking processes. Synthesia empowers you to create videos with customizable avatars and AI-generated scripts, simplifying the video production process. You can make money online by offering video production services. You can also make your own YouTube channel using Synthesia to grow an audience and make money online while doing it through monetization, affiliate links, and brand sponsorships. Utilize Synthesia to create engaging video content with AI avatars and voices. Cater to businesses seeking professional and interactive instructional videos or promotional content. If you are serious about making money online, then make sure to watch this next video we created just for you. It will teach you how to make money on YouTube and potentially earn thousands of dollars each month.